Hello, today I want to give you an update on my winter sowing. And we had 2 nights last week that dropped into the 20s. A couple of things did get a little nipped by the frost, but I did cover these containers and everything is looking good. So let's take a look at some of these. So here is my delphinium, several little sprouts. I've got some Rudbeckia cherry brandy, lots of them coming up. Here is the Agastache licorice white, which I'm really looking forward to this one. This is Agastache lavender hyssop. Here is the coneflower green twister. Really looking forward to this one. So I got several seedlings. This had a pack of 25 seeds. So yeah, I was really wanting these to come up. Here I have some foxgloves. These are the ones from Floret that I bought last year. Here is the foxglove Dalmatian. And I don't know if this is the one that I accidentally dropped and then just sprinkled some seeds on top because I messed it up and everything was already sealed, but it still germinated. Here are my poppies, the Hungarian blue, and I'm thinking I might have to open this jug soon. They're looking a little yellow. I'm wondering if they just need some air. Here is one of the straw flowers. A ton more have germinated, and I think I'm going to have more than I can plant. Here is the alyssum, and that's starting to get much bigger now. Here are my lupins. I'm excited to see these. I'm waiting for them to get a little bigger, but that poppy, I think I'm going, and the alyssum, I may have to open up soon. It's getting hot, about 70 degrees. So yeah, there comes a point where you do have to open up the container. I plan on potting them up into 4-inch containers once they reach, you know, maybe a couple of true leaves. And otherwise I think I want to leave them in these containers, but I may just need to open them up. I'm just worried about another frost, and I don't want them to lose any of them. So thanks for joining me for this quick winter sowing update, and I will give you an update once I start transplanting these either in 4-inch pots or out in the landscape. So again, thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.